Okay, we created our backdrop, so we can start working on our foreground. One thing I want to add, maybe a tree on the sides, right here where it's going, and maybe even bend a little bit, we'll see, and add additional plants. So right now, I think it's good time to go and populate our terrain, so we know where we place it. Okay, let's go click OK. And next we'll go to right click to select the tree, and we have multiple trees. The one, actually I was thinking we can use it HD line tree. That one line tree will be up front, so we can bring closer. Kind of set almost on the side, except it will cover too much. So let's do these things. We'll go double time click on a tree, so we open an editor, and inside the editor what I want to do is take some diameter. Yeah, let me open again. So I'll take the diameter, take it down a little bit, increase a little bit or narrow, and let's go click OK. So you can see it's make it a bit smaller and kind of a little bit twisty. It's what I was trying or going after. Won't cover that much. And as well, we can move a little bit on the back, maybe slightly behind the heel, and right there, maybe even more on the side, so we don't cover too much. And right here, we'll go to just twist a little bit in our scenery. So almost it's like hanging in this way. We'll have a better opening, but at the same time it will lead into our scenery. Okay, next let's add a few more plants, and I want to add alter atom. I'll put it right here in the back, so we'll make nicer blending. So we'll do right there. We'll tilt a little bit towards the camera. I'll just put it right there. Let's create another one like this. And that one we'll go and put it on the back, actually right here on the back, just right there, maybe just a little bit. I don't want to hide too much of the plants there, but we just somewhere like right there maybe. Okay. Also, let's go to add pine tree, and maybe add a little bit stronger pine tree right behind, right there, so we have it kind of more solid, darker look right behind. And I do like this pine tree, so we can create another one, and we can place it around this area, only we'll take and make it smaller. Kind of to balance a little bit on those. Okay, next let's add a few more of the bushes that we're using, and we're using alder atom. We can use it summer one, so it will be darker, and we'll bring this closer, shrinking down. Bring right there a little bit. It's kind of a framing right now, creating this nice frame around our plants. Let's go click another one, and you know what, let's select this dry tree, and actually I want to take this dry tree and put it a little bit more right on the back, just to add more elements, more coloring to this angle. So we still have a very nice opening. Maybe add right plant like bush on the middle right here. Maybe need to add it. Okay, let's do this. We'll go click, select, and same, we'll select this plant, make it smaller, and and just move slightly up front. I want total in the middle, but I want somewhere right there. Maybe we need to add some other elements, but I think this already start getting more natural, kind of busy with opening and a field going around there. So I don't really worry too much about this emptiness because we'll have a special fog and other thing cover. But I think we maybe need to add a few different colors in here. And again, we have all these different trees. We can take some other ones and let's see what we have. Surprise, let's maybe just take that one, make it much smaller. And just add right a little bit up front behind the plant almost. Right there. So just add a little bit color. We'll see when we start rendering how well it will come up, but we're creating all these different colors that we kind of start mixing together. Let's look not bad, but I think something up front we needed. So let's go select one more. And we'll just put it a little bit up front of our shrink down. And we'll just put it right here and a little bit up. So just make almost like bushes and some trees start growing this area. Okay, I think this is kind of look nice. So let's go work on the lighting in the next tutorial.